Welcome. If you want to connect fake AirPods to your iPhone 11, at the first you have to open charging case of your earphones, then move to the settings, tap on the Bluetooth, activate this feature, and when the AirPods are going to appear on the list, we have to tap on them, and here they are, so just simply click. And if you have problem that they are not going to pop right here, all you have to do is just to keep opening this case and then click and hold this back button until they move to the pairing mode, and you can spot that thing by checking the indicator. It will be blinking on the white color, so it means that they are in the pairing mode. As you can see here, we got some kind of the issue. They are not going to connect as normal, so I think that we have to use this pairing mode. So just wait a little bit. Okay, we don't want to wait that much, so let's click and hold this button. Let's close the case, then open, click and hold, keep holding, then turn off Bluetooth right here. Indicator right now it is blinking, so we can turn on Bluetooth. As you can see, AirPods appears on the list, so we can simply try to connect. We can release that key right now. Okay, here we have still this kind of the issue, so let's turn off the Bluetooth, close the case, and just try one more time. We are not going to give up. Click hold. Right now it is blinking on the white and it turns on the green, so turn on Bluetooth. Let's click another time. And as you can see, right now they are connected. So as you can see, it's not one of this video when everything goes well and happens automatically. If you have any connection problem, you have to open the case, you have to close the case, turn off Bluetooth, turn it on, and then use the pairing mode. So we don't have to give up, and everything will be alright. As you can see, it is working. So that's how we can connect this fake AirPods to your iPhone 11. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!